Hello, beautiful, healthy people. It is Elmira, always helping you become a self-care boss. As you see, we are on the floor today. I am going to be demonstrating how to use your tennis ball. I actually have a trigger point ball, which I found at Target. You can use a tennis ball. I know some of you have been instructed, oh, you need to use the tennis ball, but how are you going to use it? I'm actually going to show you how to use it on your hips and your calves. So those, and the reason I'm doing that, I was actually just playing around with this today. Self-care is a part of my daily practice. It's just something I do, like waking up and brushing my teeth. It's like I can't discount it, and you have to make it a portion of your daily routine too. It's not just something, oh, I'm gonna do it when I go on vacation. No, boo, you got to do it all the time. So weird, because I've been experiencing some pain, especially on this side of my hips. What I'm gonna do is take the ball here. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna sit on my like on my foot, and I'm actually able to bend down and give some relief to my hip. I can also place the ball on the, I'm going to pull that back a little bit further for you, place the ball on the floor and do the same thing. And you know the amount of pressure that feels good, and you can just roll. You're going to feel it because I feel, roll on that. You can sit on it, do all kinds of things. Get them arms behind you. You can even lift your feet up. Test your strength and flexibility while you're doing this movements, because this is not intended for you to just be sitting around being lazy. You are firing new areas in these muscles. Ooh, I felt that one. Felt that. Then another thing, because I told you my calves as well. You just kind of put the ball in between your legs, and this is like a, if you've seen a nutcracker, you know what that is. This is almost like a nutcracker move. And you bend back, oh, and you feel it. That's just that's just the release. Breathe. Breathe through all of this. And the great thing, because this ball is so, of course I have this. You can use your tennis ball. You can place it on any point in your leg where you feel the tension or pressure. Like for me, it's a little bit above my Achilles tendon as well. So I'm placing the ball in there and kind of leaning back to create that, as you see, create that like nutcracker motion. We are cracking these muscles today. We are definitely cracking those muscles. And then anything, of course, you do on this side, you can do to your right. You don't have to make this hard. You don't have to make it challenging. Do it while you're watching TV. Oh, I feel that one. I've been doing quite a lot of exercises with my legs and my feet. So I definitely need this. Because sometimes you may not be able to come see a person like me, your massage therapist. You need to be able to use your self-care tools at home. Remember, I have virtual sessions available online. Go to The Self-Care Boss, or you can book your hands-on session with me. Additionally, there is a 6-week Self-Care Boss transformation program that you can sign up with. I'm now accepting clients for that. Go to The Self-Care Boss and we'll get all of the information to you. Until next time, you all make it a relaxing day. Use your balls wisely.